Imagine you're driving to work. Children are walking to school. Airplanes are flying high above the clouds. Everything feels completely normal. Then, the Earth suddenly stops spinning. Not forever, just 5 seconds. 5 seconds doesn't sound like much, but those 5 seconds would become the most terrifying moments in human history. Although the Earth stopped spinning, everything on its surface wouldn't stop immediately because of something called inertia. Everything will continue moving eastward at incredible speed. At the equator, that speed is nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most passenger airplanes. Imagine buildings, trees, people, all suddenly thrown sideways at the speed of a jet aircraft. Bridges would collapse. Cities become disaster. No warning, no escape. Just 5 seconds, but the disaster has only begun. The land isn't the only thing affected. The oceans are moving too. Billions of tons of water continue racing across Earth's surface. The result? Mega tsunamis. Not ordinary tsunamis. Walls of water hundreds of meters high. These enormous waves crash into coastlines around the world. Entire cities disappear beneath the water. Ports, roads, everything near the coast is swept away. Ships are thrown onto land. Bridges snap apart. Meanwhile, the atmosphere is still moving. Earth stopped, the air didn't. Hurricane-force winds become something far worse. Winds faster than 1,600 kilometers per hour roar across the planet. These winds can strip buildings apart, lift vehicles into the air, knock down forests, dust fills the sky. Day turns into darkness. For many people, simply breathing becomes difficult. The world has become almost unrecognizable, and only 2 seconds have passed. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth's crust is under enormous stress. The sudden change in motion creates powerful forces. Fault lines begin to move. Massive earthquakes shake the continents. Volcanoes become active. Some erupt with incredible force. Ash rises high into the atmosphere. The ground cracks open. Roads split apart. Pipelines burst. Power stations fail. Communication networks collapse. Satellites continue orbiting Earth, but many ground stations are destroyed. Emergency services struggle to respond. Hospitals lose power. Air traffic control loses contact with aircraft. Around the world, millions of people wonder the same thing. What just happened? Scientists search desperately for answers, but nature isn't finished yet. 5 seconds are over. The Earth begins spinning again, but this creates another disaster. Everything that survived the first stop now experiences another violent change. More destruction, more collapsing buildings, more powerful waves. The atmosphere shifts again. New storms begin forming. Smoke from fires mixes with volcanic ash. The sky turns orange and gray. Sunlight struggles to reach the ground. Temperatures begin changing. Food supplies are interrupted. Electricity remains unavailable in many places. Clean drinking water becomes difficult to find. People work together to rescue survivors. Scientists explain that this event should never be possible. The Earth has enormous momentum. Stopping it instantly would require unimaginable energy. Fortunately, this is only a thought experiment, but it reminds us how perfectly balanced our planet really is. Yet humanity has always shown incredible resilience. People would rebuild. Scientists would study the event. Engineers would develop safer cities. Communities would help one another recover. This thought experiment also teaches us something important. The Earth spins once every 24 hours. We rarely think about it. Yet every sunrise, every sunset, every weather pattern, every ocean current depends on that constant motion. Our planet is a masterpiece of balance. One tiny change can affect everything. So the next time you watch the sunrise, remember, you're standing on a planet spinning through space at incredible speed. And somehow, life exists because everything is working almost perfectly. That's one of the greatest scientific miracles of all. Until next time, keep asking questions, because every great discovery begins with, what if?